Good evening, students. Welcome to Dhimansha's class. Today, I am going to discuss about quadratic equations. Okay, students? So before I start, as usual, I would definitely request you all to please see this video from the very beginning to end. Don't skip this video and please do subscribe this channel so that you can get more informations, more topics I will be covering, which may be within your syllabus, maybe without means outside your syllabus, but for gaining more out knowledge, it's better if you subscribe this channel, and the topics you will like you can see. Okay, so that is why I'm asking you all to subscribe this channel, and please share this video as much as possible to your friends, and press the bell icon also. Okay, so that you can get the notification of the new uploads, whatever I'll be uploading in my channel. Okay, and see this video from the very beginning to the end. Okay, so now let us start quadratic equation. As it is written here, quadratic equation, an equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This should be the format of the equation. Okay, where a, b and c are real numbers, may be positive, may be negative, but must not be equal to 0. It may be less than 0, it may be more than 0, maybe less than 0 means negative, even more than 0 means positive, any real number. Okay, a value of a, b and c must be real and must not be equal to 0. If a is 0, means not ABC, only a must not be equal to 0. B, C may be 0, may be negative, may be positive, but they should be real numbers. Okay, all three, A, B and C. But A must not be equal to 0. Only A I am talking about. A should not be 0. This should not be 0. Why? Because see, what is the degree of this equation? Degree of this equation is highest power in this equation is 2. So the format should have 2 as the highest power, means then only it will become a quadratic equation. Say for example, let me take one example. Say, would you call x plus 1 by x is equal to x square as a quadratic equation, my dear students? Yes sir, it is a quadratic equation because see, the power degree is 2. Let us do and see whether really it's coming or not according to this format. Let us solve this equation first. So, or see, x, there is no denominator under x, means it will become 1. So LCM of 1 and x is x. 1 x x square plus 1. X divided by x is 1. 1 into 1 1 equals to x square. Okay students, or now x square plus 1 is equal to this x will be multiplied, it becomes x cube. So, or my dear students, see, x cube minus 1 minus x square, this x square goes that side, minus x square, and this one goes that side, minus 1 equal to 0. Now, initially it seems that yes, as because 2, there is a power here, degree is 2, okay, chalo, it will be a quadratic equation, but still it is not. Why? We have seen here, see the power, the degree has become 3, it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so let us take another example. Let that be 2x square minus 5x. 2x square minus 5x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3. Let us take this as an example. See, here what we will do, 2x square minus x square minus 5x remains here, no change, but this minus 2x comes this side, plus 2x. Then this plus 3 becomes minus 3 equals to 0. Nothing remains in the right hand side, so it becomes 0 here. So, or 2x square minus x square is x square minus plus minus 5 minus 2 is 3x. 5 is bigger, its sign is minus, so minus, then minus 3, nothing happens to it, equals to 0. Now it is the final form. Now, can you see? See, as I told, it may be positive, it may be negative, it may also be positive or negative. But A is 1 here. Nothing mentioned means 1. Don't think that A has got 0, has become 0 here. No. There is nothing means A has become 1. So what is A here? It is 1. So, therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, these quadratic equations, if we need to factorize them, we'll get those two answers. Why is that 2, you said? Because the number of answers of an equation depends upon its degree. As because it's a quadratic equation and the degree is 2, the value of x will always be 2. 2 values you will be getting in the factorization. Okay. It may be plus minus the same number. It may be plus and minus. It may be different numbers. Maybe plus minus different. Okay. So 2 answers. Anyhow, you will be getting 2 answers, 2 roots. The solutions of a quadratic equation are called as roots, and these roots are also called as the zeros of the quadratic equation. Okay, so those roots are also denoted here as alpha and beta. This is denoted as alpha and beta. Suppose if we factorize this equation, you will be getting 2 values and 2 factors, and those 2 factors would be, one is alpha and the other one will be beta. 2 factors, or instead of calling them as factors, we can call them 2 zeros, that is alpha and beta. Now, some quadratic equations can be solved with various other methods which you have already learned earlier. There are various other methods out of that, middle term factorization, vanishing method, cross multiplication method. There are various other methods. But all quadratic equations may not be solved through those methods. So, a great mathematician, Sridhar Acharya, has given us a formula, and that is x equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. See, plus minus. See, here only this plus one root and minus for the other root. So, minus b plus minus means 2 roots automatically in this formula. You can also say minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, and the other one, alpha is equal to and beta is equal to minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so these are the 2 zeros of one quadratic equation which may not be factorized through other methods, but Sridhar Acharya method will definitely solve. This is the last resort. Means this is the last method through which we can factorize an equation, quadratic equation. Okay. So these are called as the factors. Now this part you can see as it is. Both the cases you can see this part, root over b square minus 4ac, this b square minus 4ac, these are called as the discriminants. 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 Discriminants means d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. Now, these discriminants are also carrying some significance that we will come to know in our next video. So I hope you have understood. First exercise of your syllabus in quadratic equation R.S. Agarwal. You can do it by yourself through the concept you have gathered from the previous exercises, previous chapters. Do it and till then, give me time to prepare for the next concept. Okay, till then, Tata, goodbye.